expressions. Yes, they sometimes they can be a little bit difficult. Yeah, for example, dress up. It's dress and up. Like it's a little bit hard to understand the expressions. Okay, good. So here's our next activity. We're going to describe some clothes. So we're just going to match what the clothes are. It should be a pretty quick activity. I will put you into groups so you can all, I guess, discuss it and talk, I guess, and converse. So let me send everyone the slide. So to the students that have joined the class today, I generally send the PowerPoint slide in the chat for everybody to, I guess, to save and then use how you like. Yes. You can use the slide to share in your breakout groups if you like, or you can just use it to look and study. So I hope everybody has it. And let me put you into breakout groups and let's find out these close vocabulary. Let me put you into groups. I guess groups of 3 or 4 will do. Okay. All right. So let me put you into groups and we'll work on this for a couple of minutes. Hello?
Hi, Alvin. Hi, Peggy.
Oh, to me too, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you from French?
From Ukraine. From
Where?
Ukraine. Ukraine.
You, okay. Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. So, okay. This loose, I think, is number 2. Number 2, this.
Number 2.
Okay, 2. Okay. The style. Hold it. I think 6 maybe.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Long shower.
4.
4. Okay. Okay. Showerless. Shoeless. Okay. I think it's 3.
3.
3. Okay. Okay. Meaning that is simple. Yes. Number 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Turner.
I think 4 and 3 change.
4 and 3 change.
Because long sleeve, also short. Oh
Showerless.
no. Yeah.
Showerless means you don't have this. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Panther.
Maybe 9.
9.
Pattern.
Okay, we read this. Right. Okay. Planned. What do you think?
Is number 10. Oh, no, it's number 11.
Number 11. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Planning. Okay. Planning is, I don't know what is planning.
8.
8.
Number 8.
Dimitri, what do you think?
Don't know.
Okay.
No.
Peggy, what do you say?
I think pattern it. No.
7. I
searched
think
the
7.
dictionary.
Plain color. Yeah.
Yeah. I think plan is number 7.
7.
Number 7. Plan is number 7. Okay.
No.
No. It's
Plain.
plan.
Oh, so sorry.
Plan. Yeah.
Confused.
Yes.
Okay.
And I think pattern is number 9.
I think so.
Yeah. Because thoughts is number 10.
Okay. Number 9. Okay. But okay. This is number 10. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a circle.
Circle is number 8.
Straight.
Yes.
Strip. Okay.
No.
What?
Yeah. Strip is the straight line. Yeah. Okay. We finished.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Planet. And we have a half minute. Why you say goodbye?
Hello?
Yesterday, I think we should go to class. Yeah.
Yes, me too. I'm so
Со мной так, если можно не сейчас.
little angry.
I don't know.
Или в половине
Yeah,
шестого,
teacher
или
tell
didn't.
us.
завтра до 2
Yes.
часов.
Teacher
Это
didn't
с
tell us.
12 до
So
2.
I
Давай.
used many times to connect my Wi-Fi and try long time. I'm so angry.
Let's check our answers. Okay. And let's see how we did. Everyone is free to answer the question. Please don't be shy to answer. Let's check out our answers. So what about the fit Obviously, which one is loose? This is the easiest one. What number?
Number two.
Yeah.
Two.
Two.
Yes, yes. This is number 2. Yes, the easiest answer. Yes. Okay. So the styles. Hooded. What is the hooded style? Yes, excellent. Number 6. Yes, hooded. In particularly this particular kind of clothes, the sweater with the hood, we call this a, I'm not sure if people know, but we call this a hoodie. Yes, generally this particular style of clothes is called a hoodie. Yes. Many people wear them these days. Everybody, I am sure, has one. Yes. Okay, long sleeve. What number is long sleeve?
4.
4.
Yes, number 4. Yes. What about sleeveless?
3.
Yes, excellent, excellent. Sleeveless means no sleeves. Yes. Yes. Do you know? No, I guess there's so many styles of sleeves. How about V-neck?
Number
5.
Yeah, number 5. Yes. My father, he only wears V-neck. He doesn't wear anything else. He goes. The neck is too tight on him, so he likes the V. Yes. But I personally like very tight necks. Okay. Okay, so the next one, the more interesting one, the patterns. What is patterned? Which number?
9.
9.
Yes. Yes. Number 9 is patterned. Basically the idea is that the pattern is just the pattern is usually an image, some kind of image or design. Yes, which is repeated. It's a repeated image or design. So that's the idea of a pattern. Yes, which is why it's number 9, because this one has, I guess, flower patterns or leaves.
Leaves.
Yeah, some kind of leaf pattern or, yes. You can have patterns on anything. Yes. Okay, what about the next one? Plaid.
11.
11.
Excellent, excellent. Plaid is 11. This is a the idea of plaid. It looks like plaid looks a lot like checkers. It kind of looks like it sort of looks kind of like this, and then other patterns. Yes, like that. You see this a lot in school uniforms. The plaid. I guess here, for example, you have here the girls'
Kilt.
skirts at school, and they have the plaid.
That
Kind
one,
of,
kilt.
Right. Yeah. For whatever reason, yes, the uniforms really took to plaid. Yes. Yes. For whatever reason, I don't know. Okay, so that's plaid. How about plain?
Number 7.
7.
Yeah, that's really easy. Plain means no design, no patterns. Yes. I generally like plain myself. no patterns, plain design actually. So it's not really called plain. It's called, it's actually really, it's called a plain design. Yes. To say plain is not the real thing you want to say. Yes. Just say a plain design. Yeah. Not just plain. To say plain, it means that sometimes this is a little cultural lesson. If you say plain, most people will understand it means boring, right? So you don't say plain, yes, because then someone is going to feel sad. Yes, say plain design. Next one, dotted.
And
Yes. And the last one, which is striped.
8.
Yes, 8.
striped 8.
8.
Yes, so that is our clothes vocabulary. All right, excellent. So now that we know a little bit about the clothes, let's look at the next part, which is pronunciation. Okay, save this and I'll clear the board. Okay, so here we have a number of clothes. I guess this is today's vocabulary, all of our things for today. And we are going to match the clothes to its proper sound category. And these are vowels. We have all of them here. In particular, we have the short vowels, the A, the E, the two I's, or actually the E and the I, long E, short I, and the U's. So let's look at the first one. Where does it go? Where does it go in this one? So this is the U sound, which is U. This is the A sound. Next one is the E sound. Next one is the E. This one is the E sound. This one is the A sound. And this one is the O sound. These two are exactly the same. So I put them into one group. Yes, I don't think it's necessary to differentiate these two sounds. They're too similar. So the first one, where do you think it goes? In which letter or word?
Cat.
Cat.
Yes, excellent. Yes. Yes, we have it here in cat. And please just to get that short A sound, I want everybody to repeat after me. Okay, please repeat after me. I'm going to mention the A sound especially louder. Okay, so this one, it's sandals. Everyone, please repeat.
Sandals.
Excellent. Sandals.
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 The short. Good. This is the short A. We call this in pronunciation, we call this the short A. Yes. It's the A sound. The short A is known as the A sound. The we don't have it here, but the long A, I'm gonna change the color. The long A.
Egg.
The long A is, for example, is the A sound. The short A is the A sound. Long A is the A sound. Yes, just in case. For example, like this one, like this one, cave. This is the long A, cave, but cat is the short A. Short A and long A. But today we're just looking at the short A. Okay. What about the next one? Where does the next one go?
Clock.
Clock.
Yes. Yes, easy enough. Yes. It can go into clock or saw. Yes. So this is our activity. I'm going to put you into groups. Let's figure out where all of these sounds go. Here we have the U, the the E, the I, the E, the A, and the O. I guess you know what? Well, let's practice these vowel sounds and then let's work in our groups. Just so we can we can really hear ourselves talking. Okay, so the first one. The first one is the oo sound. Everyone, please repeat after me. Oo.
Ooh.
Ooh. Next one is the oh sound.
Oh.
Trust me, there are many vowels in English that just sound really strange, but they are so important. They are really, really important. I think, in my opinion, I think the vowels is the most important part of the word pronunciation. It's getting the vowels that will really make a difference. Okay, so this one is let me yes. Ball. Okay, this one is E. Tree. Okay, next one is A. Or fish. Excellent, excellent. It's different from E. It's different from E. It's actually E. It's E and E. E, E. Yes, they are different. They are different. And this one is even more different. This one is egg. Yes. Or egg. Yes, this one, the short A, it's ah. Yes, this is for sandals. Okay, excellent. And this last one is the O sound. Yes. O for yes, cotton. Okay. Okay. We're finally good. Let's get into our groups. And I will send you the slide. Let me see where we are. Interesting. I thought I had it. Okay. 1 second. Let me save this first, and then I'll send it to you. Okay. All right. Okay, there we go. Please find it in your chat. It's there. You can share it in your breakout room if you like. Okay, so let me put you into your groups. Let me switch you around so we can all talk to each other. Okay. All right, let's get into our groups and figure them out.
Hello.
Hi, Akiho. Hi,
Hi.
my friend Dimitru.
Class.
Okay, I can share.
Let's go.
Can you see?
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Let's go.
Okay,
So,
three parts.
sleepers.
Is
Is fish?
Sleepers.
Yes, fish.
Fish. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
I don't know.
No. Three
I think
parts.
I think fish.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fish.
Sweet.
Suit.
Boots.
Sweet.
Boots. I think
Suit.
boots. How about you?
Boo. Boo. Boo.
Yes, I think boo.
Boots. Okay.
Yeah.
No.
What?
Suit is boots. Boots.
Boo.
Boo.
Shirt, boot. Okay.
Okay. Maybe I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jeans.
Jeans.
Jean. Tree.
Tree.
Yes, I think so.
Jeans.
Jeans.
Jeans. It's tree.
Woo.
Boo.
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 Boot.
Boo. Boo.
Yes.
Boot.
Boot. Boot.
I think.
Boot. Okay.
Okay.
Letter.
Leather.
Leather.
Egg.
Letter.
Egg.
Egg.
Yes, I think egg.
Egg.
Okay.
Egg.
Egg. I think.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Linen.
Okay.
Linen. Fish.
Linen.
Linen.
Fish.
Linen.
Fish.
Fish.
Okay.
Fish. Linen. Fish.
And all food.
All food.
It's
All
all.
food.
All
All food.
All food.
All food.
Salt.
so.
Yeah, I
All
think
food.
so.
Okay.
What?
Salt.
Salt. All food.
It's salt.
So,
Yes.
Clock is right.
And so.
So,
So.
often. So, okay.
okay. Next,
Check it.
Check.
check
Check
egg,
it.
Check.
Check
Shake.
it.
egg,
Check. Yeah.
Check it.
Check.
Check. Check it.
Check.
check,
Checked. Shake.
Check.
check,
Check.
And
Check.
Check it.
Check.
eight. I think eight. Shake.
egg,
Check it.
Check.
cat, egg,
Egg
Which?
or cat?
egg,
I think eight.
egg. I think egg.
Egg or cat?
Egg かな。
Egg. Okay. Let's go.
Okay. Really?
Dotted. I think it's
Dot.
clock.
Clock.
Clock or
Yeah,
salt.
Dot.
Dot. Dot.
Yes.
Cat.
Dot.
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 Dot. Dot.
Boot.
Walk.
Boot.
Boot. Boot.
And boot.
Sorry,
Boot.
dot is
Walk.
Dot is
Dot is clock.
clock.
clock. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And
Sorry.
boot.
Hooded.
Boots.
Hooded. Boots. Okay.
Long.
Long. Long.
Long.
And
Is clock.
Long. Long.
Clock.
Long.
Loose.
Maybe. Long is
Boots.
clock.
Loose.
Boots are
Loose is
boots.
boot.
Boot,
Yes.
yes.
Pattern.
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 And
Pattern.
cat.
Cat.
Pattern.
Cat.
Cat, yes.
Mhm.
Is sleeveless. Is sleeveless.
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 Sleep.
Tree.
Is sleeveless. Tree.
Tree.
Three.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Bird
Good,
is
good,
nothing.
good.
Bird is nothing.
Mhm.
Okay.
Bird. Okay.
Okay. I think we
Bird. Bird is nothing. Ari.
Mhm.
Okay.
So
Yes.
Lucas
Yes.
and Dimitro,
Mhm.
where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Brazil.
I'm
Oh,
from Ukraine.
Pattern.
Ukraine.
Ukraine.
Andrei Shevchenko.
Yes. Klitschko.
Yes.
Italy.
And you, Muki?
I'm from Thailand.
Thailand.
Yes.
And you, Akiho?
I'm from Japan.
Japan?
Yes.
Ah. Good. And you, teacher?
How long have you doing this lesson? Yes.
I would like to know the cuisine, the Thailand cuisine.
Sorry.
I would like to know the Thailand cuisine.
Thailand.
Yes.
Thailand.
You're from Thailand.
Yes, I'm from Thailand.
I would like to know the Thailand cuisine, food,
Cruising.
the food, cuisine,
Food.
food,
Oh, food.
food. Yes, to eat.
Three.
Ah.
In room. So let's check our answers. Most of them were good. Most of them were good, but we're gonna check. We'll check it. I'll give you the. I guess we're going to hear the. We'll hear the textbook, the sound clip from the textbook, and then I will show you the answers. Okay. So let me share the screen. And let me find the sound clip. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm going to mute myself and then play the sound clip. So let's see how many we got.
1.50. Boot. Ooh. Suit. Loose.
Bull. Oh. Hooded. Wool.
Tree. E. Sleeveless. Jeans.
Fish. Linen. Slippers.
Egg. Checked. Leather.
Cat. Sandals. Patterned.
Clock. Cotton. Dotted.
Saw. Awe. Awful. Long.
Okay, so here are the answers. How many did you get? The only ones that I would really think is no problem is with this O sound. These sounds are so similar that you don't really need to know it. You just know that it's aw. Both of these are aw sounds. Clock and saw. It's the same thing, really the same sound. Clock and saw.
Teacher,
Yes.
lose, a boot, lose, switch.
No, this is the same sound, boot and loose.
But sound, switch, Sweet. I don't know.
Ah, suit.
A
Yes.
boot, sweet, boot,
Ah.
loose, sweet, and
Yes. Yes.
and egg, letter, checked, two, egg, letter, checked, and checked.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Yes. All right. Thank you, Giselle. Yes, I missed those. Thank you. Yes. Yes, leather and checked. Yes. Loose and suit. Yes. Okay, good. All right. So here's our next little activity. We're going to do a little bit of listening. And we are, let me save and clear the board. Okay, we're going to listen to a little radio program. And there are two fashion journalists on the radio, and they are talking about dressing your age. And so they're going to talk about their opinions about addressing their age. Here's an example. In this picture, this is from The Simpsons. And in this picture, we have Mr. Burns. He is 80 years old, Mr. Burns. He's 80 years old. And he is obviously wearing clothes of a 13-year-old child. So this is what they mean by dressing your age. Is Mr. Burns dressing his age? He is 80 years old, but wearing 13-year-old clothes. Yes, he's wearing 13 years old. Yes. So here's the example. Mr. Burns is 80, but he is wearing 13-year-old's clothes. Is that good or is that bad? So that is what Liza and Adrian are going to talk about. I want you to, and this is what I want you to do. I just want you to listen to this part. Just listen to what are their two rules. It's a pretty long conversation. It's about 3 minutes long. It's a long conversation. Just listen or just try to catch their rules. And the other part is just find the general attitude of the two speakers. Don't listen to everything. Just find the general message and listen to their rules. So let me cue up the sound clip. Okay. Okay, we'll probably listen twice and we will answer the questions. Just a little discussion. 1 second.
$1.45.
Welcome to today's program in our series on age. The topic is clothes, and the question is, do people these days dress their age, and should they? Our guests are both fashion journalists with well-known magazines. Hello, Liza and Adrian. Hello.
Hi.
Let's start with you, Liza.
Well, the first thing I'd like to say to all the young people out there is next time you give your grandma a warm cardigan and some slippers for her birthday, don't be surprised if she asks for the receipt. because she'll probably want to go out and exchange them for something more exciting.
So you think these days women in their 60s and 70s dress much younger than they used to?
Oh, absolutely. Think of women like Sophia Loren, Catherine Deneuve, Helen Mirren, and Jane Fonda. Jane Fonda is in her late 70s, and last month, she was on a talk show wearing a leather miniskirt. She looked fabulous. But of course, it isn't just famous women who are dressing younger. Some recent research says that 9 out of 10 women say they try to dress younger than their age.
Do you think that's true?
Well, it depends on your age, of course. A lot of teenage girls try to dress older than they are, maybe to get into parties. But I would say that from 30 onward, most women try to dress younger than they are.
And do you think there's anything wrong with that?
Actually, I think it's not a question of dressing older or younger. It's a question of wearing what suits you. And if you looked good in jeans when you were 15, if you keep your figure, you'll probably look good in them when you're 80. There are a few things that can look a little ridiculous on older women. Like, let's see, very short shorts, but not many.
So your fashion rule would be,
wear whatever you think suits you and makes you feel good.
Adrian, what about men? Do you think they also try to look younger than their age?
Well, interestingly, in the research Liza mentioned, only 12% of the men who were questioned said they had ever thought about dressing to look younger. But actually, I think a lot of them weren't telling the truth. Look at all those middle-aged men you see wearing jeans that are too tight and incredibly bright t-shirts.
You don't approve?
No, I don't. Personally, I think that men should take their age into account when they're buying clothes.
Do you think that some men actually dress older than their age?
Yes, definitely. Some do. Some men in their 20s look as if they were 20 years older by wearing blazers and khakis, or wearing suits and ties when they don't have to. They've maybe started their careers and they want their bosses to take them more seriously.
Yeah.
And a lot of men in their 30s realize that they can't dress like a teenager anymore. But they go to the opposite extreme and they start buying the kind of clothes that their fathers wear.
So, what would your fashion rule be for men?
Dress for the age you are, not for the age you wish you were.
Liza and Adrian, thank you very much.
$1.45.
Welcome to today's program in our series on age. The topic is clothes, and the question is, do people these days dress their age, and should they? Our guests are both fashion journalists with well-known magazines. Hello, Liza and Adrian.
Hello.
Hi.
Let's start with you, Liza.
Well, the first thing I'd like to say to all the young people out there is next time you give your grandma a warm cardigan and some slippers for her birthday, don't be surprised if she asks for the receipt, because she'll probably want to go out and exchange them for something more exciting.
So you think these days women in their 60s and 70s dress much younger than they used to?
Oh, absolutely. Think of women like Sophia Loren, Catherine Deneuve, Helen Mirren, and Jane Fonda. Jane Fonda is in her late 70s, and last month, she was on a talk show wearing a leather miniskirt. She looked fabulous. But of course, it isn't just famous women who are dressing younger. Some recent research says that 9 out of 10 women say they try to dress younger than their age.
Do you think that's true?
Well, it depends on your age, of course. A lot of teenage girls try to dress older than they are, maybe to get into parties. But I would say that from 30 onward, most women try to dress younger than they are.
And do you think there's anything wrong with that?
Actually, I think it's not a question of dressing older or younger. It's a question of wearing what suits you. And if you looked good in jeans when you were 15, if you keep your figure, you'll probably look good in them when you're 80. There are a few things that can look a little ridiculous on older women. Like, let's see, very short shorts, but not many.
So your fashion rule would be,
Wear whatever you think suits you and makes you feel good.
Adrian, what about men? Do you think they also try to look younger than their age?
Well, interestingly, in the research Liza mentioned, only 12% of the men who were questioned said they had ever thought about dressing to look younger. But actually, I think a lot of them weren't telling the truth. Look at all those middle-aged men you see wearing jeans that are too tight and incredibly bright t-shirts.
You don't approve?
No, I don't. Personally, I think that men should take their age into account when they're buying clothes.
Do you think that some men actually dress older than their age?
Yes, definitely. Some do. Some men in their 20s look as if they were 20 years older by wearing blazers and khakis, or wearing suits and ties when they don't have to. They've maybe started their careers and they want their bosses to take them more seriously.
Yeah.
And a lot of men in their 30s realize that they can't dress like a teenager anymore, but they go to the opposite extreme and they start buying the kind of clothes that their fathers wear.
So, what would your fashion rule be for men?
Dress for the age you are, not for the age you wish you were.
Liza and Adrian, thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, very interesting opinions. Okay, so what is Liza's rule?
Sweets and make you feel good.
Yes. This one is, make it a little bit bigger. Yes, you got it, Lucas. Wear whatever you think suits you. Wear whatever you think suits you and makes you, what did they say? Makes you
feel good.
Right. Yes. Yes, whatever suits you and makes you feel good. Yes. And what do you think? What do you think of Liza's personality? Do you think she is very strict, or is she very free? How would you explain her personality? Yes.
She's very free.
Yeah, she seems very free. Yes. She has one rule, but it's a very free rule. Yes. Yes. And what about Adrian? What does Adrian say about his fashion rules?
Dress for age you are.
Yes, excellent. For the age you are, not for
the age you should work.
Excellent. Yes, not for the age you wish you were. Okay. And so how is his personality? Is he very free? Is he very free with his choices? Compared to Liza?
No. Very different.
Yes, he is a little bit more restricted. Yes. Yes, he goes just dress. If you're a teenager, dress like a teenager. Yes. If you are 35 years old, dress like a 35-year-old person. Yes. Not like Mr. Burns, who is 80 years old and wants to look like a junior high school student, elementary student, really. Yes, yes. Yes, so here, Mr. Burns, whose rule is he following? Is he following Adrian's or Liza's?
Liza.
Liza.
Right, yes, he's following Liza, yes. Yes. And so then, here is my question. So who do you agree with the most? Do you agree more with Liza, who says, yes, wear what you feel, what makes you feel good? Or Adrian, dress your age? What do you think? What is your opinion?
I agree with Eliza
Okay, yes. Yes, tell me why.
because maybe you don't need a rule, just dress like you're comfortable.
Okay, yes. And Michelle, is that how you like? Is that how you like your fashion choices and style?
Yes,
Oh,
absolutely.
yes, yes. I
Yeah.
think that's perfectly fine. Uh, does anyone agree with Adrian? What do you think about Adrian's opinion? Does anybody agree with him? No, he is. I guess he is out. I guess he is out. Um, well, I personally I will go with Adrian a little bit. Yes. Yes, I think there are limits. Yes,
Yes.
there are limits. You don't want to go too far. Yes. You don't want to go too far.
Yeah.
Yes, because then the kids are going to they're going to think you're very funny, not very stylish, but more funny. Yes. Okay. All right. So I guess that is all for today, for today's class. There's only a couple of minutes left. Um, I'll probably give just some extra vocabulary homework for tomorrow, and we will probably for tomorrow's class we'll probably have a short game to remind us of the closed vocabulary at the beginning of class. So that's tomorrow's class. But the homework is to just a little bit more vocabulary for clothes. I will send you the homework. At least the people in my class. And you'll probably have your own. The people in the other class, you'll probably have your own assignments from your teacher for tomorrow. Okay. Anyway,
Teacher,
thank you for assisting. Yes, yes.
can you write your email, please?
Yes, yes. Yes. Thank you, Evelina. I will send you an email also, but here is my email. Yes. Yes. So I just want to thank everybody who came to the class. Thank you for participating and for joining in. Yes, yes, and I hope you enjoyed at least some parts of the class. Okay. Okay, so to everybody else, yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Yes, I'll see you all.
Bye, teacher.
Have a good day.
Yes, you too.
Bye,
Have a good evening. Have a good
Goodbye.
rest of the day.
Have
Yes.
a good day.
See you all.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.